This is the presentation by Michael Clark for CM 7302, Advanced Sustainable Construction, about how the building Taipei 101 achieved a LEED Platinum rating in 2011. The Taipei World Financial Center, otherwise known as Taipei 101, is located in the Zenil District, Taipei, Taiwan. The building was designed by C.Y. Lee and Partners with consultation from a feng shui master to integrate Chinese tradition, culture, and symbolism into the iconic structure. Construction began in 1999 and the tower was completed in 2004 by KTRT Joint Venture Group and opened with great fanfare on New Year's Eve with its now trademark fireworks display. Upon its completion in 2004, Taipei 101 held the title of the world's tallest building at 508 meters or 1,667 feet with 101 floors and 5 basement levels until the opening of the Burj Khalifa in Dubai in 2010. Taipei still holds the distinction of being the first building to eclipse the half-kilometer mark and the world's tallest green building and LEED Platinum building. With the LEED rating system being created in 1998 by the U.S. Green Building Council, it was not well known in Asia during the construction of Taipei 101. However, Taipei 101 was still conceived to be an eco-friendly building from the start. Reduction in carbon emissions and energy efficiency was of utmost importance to the owners. The building was equipped with the Siemens Apogee fully integrated management and control system to control the building's complex scheme. Taipei 101 was also equipped with the largest water distribution system in Asia, an advanced temperature control system, Osram lighting system, and advanced air distribution center to make the building highly energy efficient. In the interest of promoting green construction and operation, Taipei 101 officials decided to attain international recognition and global acceptance of their green operations by pursuing LEED certification in existing buildings, operation and maintenance by the U.S. GBC. To accomplish this, Taipei 101 teamed up with Siemens, Stephen Leach & Associates, and Ecotech International to identify areas for improvement, suggest and design system upgrades, and garner the support of all the tenants to embrace the greener approach to life. This process began in 2009 and took 21 months to accomplish at a cost of NT 60 million or US 2.08 million at 10,000 person hours. Initially, Taipei 101 aimed to achieve a gold standard certification in existing buildings in operation, but after the initial evaluation by the aforementioned consulting team recognized the anticipated LEED score was already high, it was decided by the stakeholders to upgrade the application from gold to platinum. In 2011, Taipei 101 was awarded LEED Platinum certification in existing buildings operation and management with a score of 82. To obtain a LEED Platinum rating, a building must earn 80 or more credits, be 30% more efficient than the average building by maximizing efficiency and minimizing environmental impacts by focusing on consistent and measurable operations and management. The following slides will discuss and summarize the LEED scorecard by category. Taipei 101 obtained 19 of 26 credits from the Sustainable Sites category. Since Taipei 101 was not constructed under LEED process, it was not able to garner any points under the SSC1 LEED certified design and construction. Due to the type and size of the structure and limitations for on-site landscaping, Taipei 101 adopted the nearby Xingshan Park to implement sustainable landscaping practices to achieve sustainability goals of SSC5 for the project. To satisfy the requirements, it aimed to restore and protect habitats that allow native flora and fauna to flourish. Taipei 101 obtained 13 of 14 credits from the water efficiency category. To reduce water usage, Taipei 101 fulfilled WEC2 by introducing low-flow fixtures in conjunction with a dedicated water management system that reduced water usage without jeopardizing tenant gratification. This modification enabled Taipei 101 to decrease potable water usage by 30% as compared to an average building equivalent to its size, which accomplished savings of approximately 28 million liters of potable water annually. Taipei 101 obtained 23 of 35 credits from the Energy and Atmosphere category. Energy and Atmosphere was one of the two LEED categories. Siemens was instrumental in assisting with performing enhancements. To fulfill EAC2, Siemens identified areas for improvement, helped implement necessary strategies, and advised the operators on construction and usage of equipment to attain energy savings and air quality improvements through use of their energy modeling and control system. This system offers energy modeling and audits, increased sensor locations, and commissioning services. EAC1 was similarly attained through use of this system by producing ice at night when power rates are cheaper and the external temperatures are lower to assist in daytime cooling. Similarly, the EMCS system monitors area occupancy and automatically shuts off the air conditioning and lighting system to uninhabited areas. Taipei 101 obtained 5 of 10 credits from the Materials and Resources category. Originally, Taipei 101's OSRAM lighting system consisted of 12,500 fluorescent lamps, 3,800 energy-saving lamps, and 2,400 halogen lamps. To satisfy MRC4, they replaced the original fixtures with low mercury and no mercury fittings to reduce exposure levels to potentially toxic pollution. These new fittings reduce mercury levels to 58.5 picograms of mercury per lumen hour, which is 35% lower than Taiwan's maximum permissible baseline of 90 picograms of mercury per lumen hour. Taipei 101 obtained 12 of 15 credits from the Indoor Environmental Quality category. The Indoor Environmental Quality was the second category Siemens was instrumental in affecting. Through its EMCS system, the building was able to adjust indoor air quality and keep CO2 levels at 600 parts per million or below by drawing in outside air as needed, which satisfied EQC 1.1. The EMCS similarly addressed EQC 2.2 and EQC 2.3 by allowing building operators to control AC and lighting, modify chiller operating schedules, chilled water distribution, and operating temperatures to the actual tenant's needs. Taipei 101 obtained 6 of 6 credits from the Innovation category. Siemens consultants trained the tenants how to properly use the control system to fit their needs and explain the consequences of improper use. Similarly, the aforementioned changes in energy strategy and management, such as producing ice for cooling during off hours, improvements in operation, and controls of the HVA system led to gaining all 4 points of IOC1. Additionally, officers of Taipei 101 garnered the expertise of the lead accredited professionals with Siemens, Ecotech, and Stephen Leach Associates to lead the innovative activities in achieving the Platinum certification. Taipei 101 obtained 4 of 4 credits from the Regional Priorities category. The regional credits were pulled from other categories of particular importance to their specific areas that address geographically specific environmental priorities. All of these upgrades to Taipei 101 resulted in it being awarded LEED Platinum status in EBOM in 2011. The enhancements as compared to 2007 levels allowed the building to annually reduce CO2 emissions by 2,995 metric tons from electricity, gas, and oil use. That is equivalent to preserving over 9 acres of woodlands or 239 cars being removed from the roads for a year, and a 10% reduction in other uses by decreasing potable water use by 28,000 metric tons, garbage by 1,261 metric tons, and electricity by 4.8 million kilowatts. All these changes combined equaled a 30% reduction in energy consumption for an annual savings of NT 20 million or US $700,000. Therefore, Taipei 101's return on investment paid for itself in less than 3 years. Taipei 101 made the impossible possible and is a trailblazer in retrofitting existing buildings to achieve LEED rating. By their example of setting hallmarks of best practices and proving super tall skyscrapers can indeed be sustainable, Taipei 101 sets the example for the rest of Asia to emulate. Their achievements and persistence to promote green building can be summarized by USGBC chairperson Mark McCracken. He said, "People would say, 'Oh, we can't do that. We are too tall. We are too this. We have too many tenants,' this sort of thing. That discussion's now off the table because of this building, and I think that's the biggest statement Taipei 101 made for the industry."